Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms, and I've got the VEGERA raised bed that the company had sent to me to try out. I did a video unboxing and putting it together, and now we're getting ready to set up. I'm over at my daughter's house. She was wanting me to build her a raised bed. She's got a bunch of flowers you can kind of see up there, and so we're going to set it up here, and I'm going to go through the process of getting everything built. So this is what we're kind of thinking about doing. We've got it set up under their window here. We've got the flowers ready to go. I've got a pickup truck full of gravel. We're going to fill it about 3/4 of the way full of gravel first. And then we're going to add dirt and start planting the flowers. And I think we're going to pick up another one or two of these. These are really nice. So I think we're going to kind of space them out throughout the house. Now let's back the truck up and start putting some gravel in it. Dumping some Miracle-Gro potting mix in here. I'm putting links to all of this in the comments section. Actually, there's a code I'll put in too for the raised beds. If you put the code in, it does give you I think it's 20% off. I have to double check and see. But I'll definitely put that in the comments section as well if you like these and you're interested in one. I'd also suggest, I think we're going to have to go back and get a little more dirt for this before we're completely finished. Miracle-Gro has a like a water retention, or like a moisture one where you basically don't have to water it as much. It holds the water better. I'm also thinking about maybe putting a little automatic water in here, but well, we might not have to get more dirt. That's actually looking pretty good right there. All right, now it's time to plant some flowers. And then the easiest part, of course, was planting the flowers. It was all pretty easy. These things go together. This thing went together like really, really simple, but looks really nice. We're ordering a couple more actually to kind of accent this, as you know, we're kind of doing a little yard redecorating, a little yard makeover here, but just wanted to share this with you. It looks very nice. It's Matt with McGee Farms. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. It's all appreciated, and it does help the channel grow. Also, a link to the webpage of the company that makes this we are going to put in the comments section down below. And I believe there is a like a 10 or 20%. I'm going to double check, and it will be listed in the comments section. But it's code if you put in, and they will give you a little bit of a discount on these as well. Till next time, have a great day.